Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put a bookmark in your web browser. This is really useful in case you have favorite pages and you want to have an easy access to them. So let's do it. First, you have to open your web browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, and you have to go to the page that you want to save. I'm going to use youtube.com. When you are already on the page, on the upper right part, you're going to find the share icon. You're going to click on it, and here you're going to have the option Add Bookmarks. Here you're going to check that is on favorites, and you're going to click on Add. Now I'm going to close my web browser, and I'm going to open a new window. And here, as you can see, is my YouTube bookmark. So if I click on it, I'm going to have a really easy access to my YouTube page. And you can do this with all the pages that you want. Try to do it with your favorite ones. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!